Hi guys, I'm Yuno, and today I'm gonna demonstrate bumpkeying an Almont padlock uh, and rekeying it with the tools which I had fabricated. I will also show you how I fabricate some of the tools needed to rekey an Almont padlock. So first, I will bumpkey this. I use a sludge bumpkey, which is I installed a bump key stopper so that it will prevent the shoulder of the bump key from being damaged during the bump key process. Okay, I am also using the spring to retract the key faster than I could retract it by my hand. So it will be like this. See, it's retracting automatically. Okay, so now I will apply the bump key process. Okay, so it's already been bumped, and now I am pulling out the core. Okay, alright, so there are 5 pins in the core. Alright, and now I will rekey that later, but first I will have to install the spring back. Oh, it's lucky that the spring is still on those side there. It didn't get out, so that means that is a lucky way. Now that is ready for inserting the top pins which I had dropped previously. So the tools which I use for installing the top pin is this core which I made also. This from Almont padlock core also. What I did is I modified that by cutting off the middle with a hacksaw blade up to the 6 pins, right? And then clean it with a sandpaper, and then I had make a hole on that side here so that I could insert this little handle like this here. But before I do that, I did apply an epoxy to make sure that it is firmly attached to this part here, right? And one thing also is that I modified this top pin holder. This is the spring that came from a wiser outer rose spring, and also a very thin knife which I modified as a top pin pusher. You will see later on the application, right? So now the finished product of that pick tool, top pin installer is this. Alright, this had been epoxied already from the hole there, and now I will install the top pin from all of this hole. I am using the 5 pins only because I found out the Almont is only having 5 pins, so I will return it same as 5 pins also. So the top pin is now ready. Okay, one thing also to note is that this is the side of the pin chamber here. This is the side here of the pin spring chamber. Alright, so this edge here on the side, you see that slot there, that will go also on this side here in order to insert it. But before that, you'll have to install the one of the bearings first, that is on the side of the spring chamber. Okay, drop it there, and then when it's already there, then it's time to install this core here. And always remember, this is a slot on this side here, and also this is the side of the spring chamber, so that will coincide with one another in order to insert the core, right? So there it is inserted. Now once it is inserted, you have to turn it counterclockwise, right? Counterclockwise. Okay, once it is fully stopped, it will not go further on that side. So you will use now the thin knife which I had fabricated here, in order to push all the spring to the top, aligned to the spring. Okay, once it is all set there, you can turn the handle now and turn it until it also stop, right? And you see the slot there, there's a slot, small slot there, that is where also this top pin clip holder will be inserted. See that? So I will insert that one there. See, it will go, let it go fully through inside. Oops, drop down. Okay. Okay, now it is fully inserted in. Now you should hold this in order to prevent the spring from dropping later. If you can, I had fabricated already tools to hold this one. So I will pull this out now. It can be pulled down, pulled up slowly, so that the spring will not be a drop, will not all drop from the bottom, and I will start over again. So as you see, it clips the top pin now on those side there, right? Once it is done, then it's time to insert the second bearing. Okay, so leave that, and then you can rekey your cylinder. Okay, rekey your cylinder to the key you wanted, so you pin it. Okay, so now it's the 5 bottom pins are all installed. What you're gonna do now is hold this shackle and let it be on this side here, right? Let it rest on that side there, on this side of the padlock, and then you can insert this now, but be careful of the top spring that it will not drop again and you will start all over again. So okay, so again the slot will be aligned to this side here, it will slide, right? Okay, now it goes in. Okay, that's good. As you could notice, the core is not fully in yet. It will be later when you now put this shackle into the shackle hole, and then hold this core here by your thumb, and then you pull this top pin holder, take it out. Okay, as you notice, the shackle was the press powder when I remove this top holder here, and you can notice also that the core is inserting flush to the body of the Almont rekey padlock. Now you can turn this core counterclockwise by a key or by a screwdriver, and then align it on the spring chamber here, and then you have a rekeyed padlock. Okay, so that's all folks for today, and thanks for watching. Good day.